Hello guys, so we received an iPhone 14 Pro Max which is restarting problem after a few minutes, and the problem what we find out is proximity sensor ripped off cable, see, and that's the problem why it's restarting. And we have to fix the same cable so that the Face ID is still working. So I thought maybe I can share with you how we repair this sort of broken flex cable. We have to do soldering, and if possibly we can, so let's do it. So this is how it looks like, guys. So I have already scratched to expose these lines so that we can solder them back. Okay, so let's this one little bit I have to scratch more. So I was recording and then somehow it was not recorded. So we know how to do these scratches. Okay, see, like this. So this is intact, this is intact, this looks like ground. We have to solder this one and this one and this one and this one and this one here.
130.
I have to remove little bit of this black stuff, the coating, so that we have a very clear area. Okay, now guys, before I start I have to let you know, so I have abandoned this approach because what I have observed it, these lines I checked with the multimeter was broken in the middle here and from here as well. So what I have to do now, I have changed my approach accordingly. This is most probably is the ground. Okay, so I'm gonna start from here. See, 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and this I have to cover all this. Okay, so I'm just making sure this part here is ground. Yes, it is. And so now we left with 1 2 3 4. Okay, now what we have to do is first of all, so this is, it goes here. Okay, if I'm not wrong, and then we go here. So we are just putting it in a testing mode, you know, so okay, let's wait. And what's the password again? Can you give me the phone where the password is? Oh yeah, I can check it here on my phone. Okay, so this is from one of our dealers. We usually make a WhatsApp group. Whatever repairs they are sending, we can communicate with each other quickly. And okay, so the next thing is, as soon as we were making a call and there was no sound in the air speaker, that's what he told me. Wasim, what's your number? Okay. So it did not shut down, okay? And the proximity sensor is working. You see, proximity sensor is working now. Okay, it's saying you do not have enough credit, okay? So that is not shutting down. Okay, now the next thing we have to check if the Face ID is working or not. So we'll just go here. Face ID and passcode. Okay, as you can see, yep, see, even the Face ID, you can set up new Face ID. So no proximity sensor is not working. As soon, this is what happened here on this iPhone 14 Pro Max. So as soon as you're trying to make a phone call, it will shut down, no ear speaker and no Face ID. But this is now all fixed. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.